So it's a while since I did a short video. I just wanted to do this one very quick. I'm going to try to stop. Every single short has a freeze frame of me touching my face or grimacing in some way. So I'm going to try and do this video without touching my face, like Slavoj Žižek. It's about the sound I, fada, or E. It appears quite a lot in Mayo Irish, particularly at the end of the verbal adjective. So verbal adjective is like when something has happened, like it's done. Tasha GNT. You probably hear Connemara people will say jumta. Donegal that said jamta, and I'm not really sure about Munster, but I said jinta or something like that maybe. So GNT instead of jumta, Criachni instead of Criachniha, Luffy instead of Luffa. You hear it a little bit in Rossmuck, but not really in the rest of Connemara. You hear people in Rossmuck, I think, and Catanillan sometimes they'll say Fawkai. But that's the only one I can think of where they say it like we do. But for every other verbal adjective, GNT, Sukri, Luffy, Lechi, Rochi, Rochi, all those. And you'll also hear it in all vowels at the end of words in Cornamono and Tourmaketti Irish or Joyce Country Irish. Like, so they won't say Ella for other, they'll say Ellie, and they won't say Kena for the same, they'll say Kini. So Sherrod Kini, Nero Deli, will said.